you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm again super excited. So let's go. So today I'll be doing my makeup and we'll be talking about self-love as well. And what is self-love? What are the myths about self-love? What are the practices that we can do to build self-love within us? One more thing, all the products that I'll be using will be mentioned in the description box, and you can follow the link and get any of the products you want. What is self-love? So basically, what nobody told us, like while growing up, nobody, like literally nobody told us what self-love is. And I feel we never questioned also. Like we were always told that you have to get good grades, you have to choose subjects, and you have to decide your job and profession. But honestly, nobody told us that one more thing is that uh, how to treat yourself. To understand what self-love is, first you have to understand what self-love is not. So self-love is not just being confident all the time. It is not just skincare, your uh, perfect self. Self-love is you being just imperfect, but appreciating everything that is there to about you, to actually feel loved within yourself. Yeah, I think why we struggle with self love, we struggle with self love because we grew up with comparison in school, and everybody was just so judgmental about everything, and we were just compared with our uh, with our friends, and how there were too many comparisons about everything. So I feel that is the reason we do not feel that uh, that is the reason we don't feel that happiness within ourselves. Yeah, because the way you talk to yourself becomes your identity, and that is so important. Like, I remember there was a time when I used to compare myself with almost everyone, that why I'm not pretty, why I put in so much hard work and everything, but still I don't get those grades that I deserve. I don't uh I don't make friends easily, and all of those things that I think everybody go through. And that is why it is important to, and that is why we all struggled with it, I think. Yeah, and honestly, you have to prioritize yourself. The more you will prioritize yourself, the less time you will have to criticize other people. For example, just take care of your health, take care of your body, take care of your needs, and just be happy, and just be a happy person. And that will really change your life too. You have to make sure that you're prioritizing yourself, because your health, just not physical but your mental health, is in your own hands. And the moment you decide that everything that you do is for your own benefit, you will understand the power of talking to yourself nicely. So some practices that we can do make us feel happy from inside. At first of all, stop criticizing yourself. The moment you realize that you are in that zone, just stop and don't say that. And instead of that, you should just think that how can I be better. Yeah, for example, you can go for a walk, or for example, you can just talk to somebody, maybe your friend, your family, your parents, or anybody. And all of those things, little things you can do to just change. You can just listen to some happy songs and change your mood. I think we need to stop judging other people and ourselves as well. The moment we stop judging other people, that will just free us from the judgment, all of the judgment that we have for ourselves as well. Because we spend so much time in criticizing other people and judging their life, like they're just 1% of life that they choose to show on social media, or they choose to tell you, and you just think about that so much, and you forget how grateful and blessed you are with everything that you have got. So I think this is so important to be grateful for what you have. The moment we start being grateful for the things that we have, it will just completely change your life. You will just be thankful and grateful to God that what you have. We don't think about ourselves enough is because we want everything to be perfect. We overthink everything. We overthink every decision that there is possibly to make, and we just plan out the worst scenarios in our head. So all of those things makes you question yourself, and I think we criticize ourselves. We are our worst critique. So that is the reason I feel that uh, we do not love ourselves enough. Because imagine if there was a friend sitting with you and he was sharing something, some problem that he or she is having for a longer time, and then as a friend you will just console her or him, and you will just tell him or her that it's okay, it happens to everyone, you will get out of it. But when it comes to you, you do not talk to yourself that way, you just criticize yourself. And I think that is the reason that we do not know how to talk to ourselves. You do some of these practices and start talking to yourself in a nice way, and prioritize yourself so that you can have a happy life. Because I think the problem is not those negative emotions. The problem is when you are mostly in those negative emotions. For example, if you're just feeling insecure all the time, and you're just feeling when you're just feeling stuck all the time, that is when there is a problem. Because we all feel stuck sometimes, we all feel we overthink sometimes. But the problem is when you start feeling that same emotion literally always, so that is the time when you need to analyze and self introspect yourself, that what all things are there that I need to change about myself. And honestly, that will really change your life, and not just yours, and also the people around you. My makeup look that I like to do, almost I can do it. Like, this is very simple, and I don't have to do much extra. So yeah, I hope you love this makeup, and this is like my go-to makeup, and this is just my skin which is better. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you do some of the practices that I have told you and start building a relationship with yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you learn something new about self-love, do tell me in the comments that things you liked in the video. Thank you. Bye bye.